CBSE Mathematics Class 9 Heron's Formula. In this session, we learn about formulas for rectangle, square, right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, parallelogram, rhombus and Heron's formula. Heron's formula, rectangle. Here a rectangle is given. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Area equal to L into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Next is square. Perimeter is 4 times A, where A is the side of the square. Remember, all sides are equal for square. Area equal to A square, that is A into A. Other way of finding area is half into diagonal square. Right angle triangle. Perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Right angle triangle is given here, ABC. So AB plus BC plus CA is the perimeter of the right angle triangle. Area equal to half into base into height. Area equal to half into BC into AB. Equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is given here. Area equal to half into base into height. That is, let base be A and the lateral side be x. So half into root of x square minus a square by 4. Perimeter equal to 3 times A. Altitude equal to root 3 by 2 into A. Area equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is given here with length L and breadth B. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Area equal to base into height. Rhombus is given here. Perimeter is 4 times A. Area is half into D1 into D2. A square twisted is rhombus. Heron's formula. Area of triangle ABC. Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus A, where S equal A plus B plus C whole by 2 is the semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. So 2S equal to A plus B plus C. Thank you.